Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are making homemade ice cream and we're going to flavor it with a little bit of fresh maple syrup. You guys are going to love this recipe. Maple syrup ice cream is so yummy and I'm using some of this maple syrup that was given to me by my sister and my brother-in-law who make it themselves from their trees in Maine. So let me show you how we're going to make this ice cream. The ingredient list for this ice cream is pretty basic. Need 6 egg yolks, some heavy cream, some half and half, about a teaspoon of salt, and of course, some maple syrup. And if you don't have your own source for freshly harvested maple syrup, then any grade A quality store-bought version of maple syrup will do. This recipe couldn't be any simpler. We are going to take about a cup of our maple syrup, we're going to add it to a pan and heat it up just a little bit. And when it's nice and warm, we're going to stir it, and then we're going to start adding our other ingredients to the warm syrup. We're going to start with our half and half. We're using about a cup and a half of half and half. If you don't have it, you can also use evaporated milk, and you'll get pretty much the same consistency. We're also going to use about a cup of cream. And we are cooking our mixture over a medium-low heat. And we're going to stir it all together and just let it get nice and warm. We are going to add about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt to the mixture. I know this seems like a lot of salt, but trust me, this amount of salt really works in this recipe. The salt will help to bring out the flavor of the maple syrup. And while the syrup and the cream are heating up, we are going to go ahead and whisk our egg yolks. We have 6 egg yolks. So the eggs are going to get mixed in with our cream mixture, but we don't want to scramble our eggs. We want them to be nice and smooth. So once they are all scrambled, we're going to take about a cup of our hot liquid. You can see it's simmering pretty well, and we are going to pour it into our egg mixture and then stir it right in. And it's going to help to temper our eggs so that they don't scramble when we mix them in with the rest of the cream mixture. And we're going to repeat this process a few more times, adding a little bit of warm liquid to our eggs, just to heat them up. We're then going to take our egg mixture and mix it back in with the cream on the stovetop, and we're going to let it simmer for just a few minutes, stirring it pretty well. And then after it cooks for just a few minutes, we are going to move it to the refrigerator and let it chill for about 4 hours. We want our mixture nice and cool before we add it to the ice cream maker. And once our cream mixture is chilled, we are going to transfer it to the ice cream maker bowl, and we're going to let the ice cream maker finish the rest of the process for us. And I have a confession for you. When I was making this recipe and the video, I had started the cream mixture before I could find my ice cream maker. I had stored it away in a cabinet and I had forgotten where I put it. And I almost couldn't find it. So this video almost became a video on how to make ice cream without an ice cream maker. But fortunately I found it and we made the video. And so now you can see the process of the ice cream maker just churning away the ice cream. This only takes a few minutes if the cream and the bowl are pretty well chilled. And after a few minutes in the ice cream maker, our ice cream is finished and it is ready to eat. And we could eat our ice cream just like this, or we can add whatever kind of toppings we want. I'm just going to add a little bit of that extra maple syrup. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For more recipes, videos, and articles, go online to PenelCentral.com.